verbatim because it's a public matter. Maintenance of Kampala City roads by the Special Forces Command Construction Regiment, SFC. As you are absolutely aware, Special Forces Command was assigned the duty of road maintenance in Kampala following a presidential directive enshrined in the May 22nd, 2023 communication that was addressed to the Prime Minister, the Right Honorable Nabanja. However, the Office of the Lord Mayor, together with the City Executive Committee that is mandated to initiate all city development programs, monitor sector performance and report to Council under Section 11 and 14B of the KCC Act as amended, was not furnished with the details of how KCC was to work with SFC on the road repairs, the scope of work, contract sums, and above all, the terms and conditions of the contract. Subsection 3 of Section 4 of the Roads Act 2019, a copy of which I have here, confers onto KCCA, that is Kampala Capital City Authority, the status of a roads authority, and the functions of the roads authority are clearly stipulated under Section 5 of the Roads Act, which inter alia include A road authority is responsible for the development, maintenance, control, and management of public roads and road reserves and facilities under its jurisdiction in accordance with this Act and any other applicable law. Subsection 2. Without limiting the generality of subsection 1, a roads authority shall develop public roads in accordance with its respective investment and physical development plans, prepare and implement road maintenance programs. It's on record that by the time of the aforesaid presidential directive, was issued, the Roads Authority and Roads Committee had already crafted the work plan for road maintenance in accordance with the law, mapped out all the potholes in the 5 divisions of Kampala City, and started on the process of cutting, trimming, and shaping, as well as filling all the potholes, awaiting for the supply of asphalt as indicated in the table below. You recall at that time, our engineers were moving around cutting the potholes, shaping them, filling them with some what they call the first class maram, and we are just waiting for the supply of asphalt because we didn't have money from the road fund. And then General Museveni made a directive around that time, give KCCA 6 billion to fix potholes, and money was delivered. When money came, the SFC entered in. Then when the SFC came, they took over. By that time, this is the mapping we had done, the potholes we had identified. I will not give you the details of roads, just the numbers. Kawempe division had 3,585 square meters of potholes. Machindia division, 60,063 square meters. Nakawa, 8,348 square meters. Kampala Central, I've mixed them up. Let me repeat, I'm sorry. Kawempe division, 3,585 square meters. Machindia division, 60,063 square meters. Nakawa, 7,347. Kampala Central, 8,348. And Rubaga, 4,420. Total 29,765.92 square meters of potholes that had been identified, mapped, shaped, only awaiting for the supply of asphalt to be fixed. And these were taken over by the SFC. Now, we are asking Lieutenant Chikomeko Chigongo Omulongo, how much of these potholes have you fixed? The City Executive Committee anticipated that by the end of this financial year, all the aforesaid mapped potholes would have been fixed and would be on course to deliver a pothole-free city. By that time, I was waiting that by the time we delivered this year's State of the State address, I would be giving Kampalans good news and would be in a celebratory mood that now Kampala is a pothole-free city. That was our expectation. To execute the aforesaid assignment of sectional repairs and fixing of potholes, SFC has been facilitated with the KCCA Road Fund together with a substantial amount from NAM. The NAM fund, part of it was also given to SFC. Inevitably, the said arrangement affected the planned activities of the Roads Authority and the Roads Committee, hence resulting into the expansion of the already mapped out potholes in the city. Regrettably, the situation is deteriorating further, with more potholes emerging and the number of roads becoming non-motorable. The State Executive Committee has also learned through the media that the 1-year contract of SFC expired, but KCCA management is in the process of renewing the same, and indeed they have committed 3.8 billion to that effect. 3 billion Uganda shillings.